pretty much independent work that we're doing. Mainly we call the homeowners, talk to them. If we can't get a hold of them, let them know we're going to be on their property doing all their work. Just doing the final measure, and then making sure that no problems are going to occur or happen on the job site. So if we can prevent anything that's not right, we'd like to do it. Anything that's not on the contract, we have to catch. Usually ventilation is number one key that we have to look at. Make sure they have proper intake ventilation. If they don't have proper intake ventilation, we have to correct that. Let's say the sales rep, they do their best just like we do to catch everything, but if they don't catch everything, it's nice to have an extra set of eyes, be like, hey, we may run into an issue, or hey, you might want to do this differently. Pretty much every time we go out to the measure, we always want to get the proper amount of materials. That way we're not overly delivering the materials to the property and then having to take out. But we also don't want to come too short from the job either. So if we're short on the job, that means someone has to go get it. That means it's time consuming. That means the crew is waiting around, and we don't want to do that. But then we also don't want to have 3 squares over to where someone has to come back and pick that up. We're looking for accuracy when it comes to measure techs. That's pretty much all it is.